Alright, so what's good, y'all? So as you can see, pretty busy garage. I was working last night, so I just left it a mess. But yeah, today's April 7th. That's gonna be a Sunday. I'm getting ready for the low and slow meet. But yeah, I finished literally the diffuser and all that last night. Stayed up pretty late to do it, but got it done. So getting ready for the meet. About to go get a car wash real quick. I'm gonna show you guys a quick cold start. But yeah, getting ready for the meet. About to go get a car wash. I'll do a little quick cold start for you guys. So there's the cold start. So yeah, I'm gonna start getting to the car wash, so I'll see y'all there. Alright, so we made it to the car wash. So getting a quick rinse, basically. It's not that dirty. I just wanted to get a quick rinse. I usually go to like a self-touchless car wash, but they're closed, so I had to, try this for now. But looking good so far. We're here at the meet. We've been here for a couple hours, about to head out. Just wanted to show you a quick update on how it looks. Front lip, 8 out of 10, 9, 8.5 out of 10 fitment. Size consistency were super easy, probably like 9 out of 10 fitment. But the diffuser, I'm gonna give it like a 5 out of 10. It just does not. From far you can't really tell, but from close you can start seeing the gaps, and then it doesn't stay on. It keeps trying to come off. Like you can already see it right there. I'm gonna see if I can fix that, but I'm not gonna lie. It looks good from far, but from close you can start seeing imperfections. Everything else is good. Side skirts, front lip is perfect. Just that diffuser, man, just kind of so unfortunate, but that's how it is, aftermarket. But looking good so far. We about to head out. We got like an hour drive back to Columbus, and yeah, not too bad. This is the first time showing the car with the wrap and with the body kit too, so this is the first time showing it off like this. Put up with walk wraps. And I pulled up with my uncle. It's got the Type R. Man, I just love the engine.
He did good work. He's got good taste, so it's looking clean. You'll probably see more of this. Definitely gonna cruise around with him a lot more. But yeah, that's how it's looking like. Almost done, almost done. He's got to get it tuned, retuned, because he's got a lot of good stuff in there. Turbo, med kit. He's about to get it retuned. We'll see. Probably see like 600 wheel. Shoot, he probably got me with my stage 2 OTS, to be honest. Even on E50, I mean, this thing weighs like 3,000 pounds. Making like 600 wheel is insane, but yeah, we about to start heading out. Got the Type R, got the Audi, BMW, got my buddy's 2.0 Accord here too. So yeah, we about to head out.